When you log into your Facebook account, you will see the top posts, but not necessarily the most recent posts. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can see the most recent posts on Facebook. You are welcome. Let's get started. So, launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on your timeline, tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner, which is the menu button. Select Feeds. These are the most recent posts. You can see this was made just now. This was made just a minute ago. This particular one was made 2 minutes ago. This is 2 minutes. Here you can see 7 minutes. This feeds also has subsections. If you want to see the most recent posts from pages you follow, from groups, from your friends, or from your favorites, simply tap here for pages. You can see this was just made now. This also was made now. All these are most recent posts. This was made just 2 minutes ago. From groups, these are groups you follow. This post was made 1 hour ago. This was made 1 hour ago as well. From your friends, you can see the most recent post. Here is a friend. He made this post just 8 minutes ago. This was made 13 minutes. You can see that. Next is my favorite. So this is how you can see most recent posts on Facebook from pages you follow, groups, friends, or from your favorites. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.